Hey food lovers, welcome back to another episode of my channel. Today in my kitchen, I'm gonna show you how I make my oven roast duck. Yes, you heard me right, my oven roast duck. Yes. So, if you like my video, you know what to do already. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on any one of my videos. I remember growing up, when you get into trouble, your mom always said, you know, you're gonna get what the dog gets. I didn't ask because I know it's nothing good, but now this duck is gonna get what he's supposed to get in my oven and in my tummy. So let's start. So guys, I've went ahead and I've defrosted my duck, and it's been sitting out of the freezer for a couple of hours, so now it's about room temperature. And I went ahead and I've cleaned it with, of course, with lime juice and vinegar, and pat it dry. And what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna start by scoring my duck, because duck normally takes a longer time to bake in comparison to chicken. So when you score the duck, it allows the fat to dissolve better when it's in the oven, and it helps with the marinating process as well. Yes guys, so this is actually my homemade sauce, and it's a combination of herbs with some scotch bonnet pepper, onion, green pepper, chives, and so on. And now I'm gonna go ahead and pour it all over this bird, and I'm gently massaging it, yes, just to get that flavor all up in the duck. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the same thing, you know, make sure it's all in the cavity of the duck, because we want this duck to be seasoned to the bone. I'm now going in with some extra seasoning, that's some all-purpose seasoning, and we're gonna continue the massaging process. Yes guys, now I'm going in with some extra powder seasoning, that's some all-purpose seasoning and some chicken seasoning. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cover it and let it marinate for a couple hours. The longer you marinate it, you know, the more flavorful it's gonna be. Guys, so now I'm preparing my tray, and I've lined it with foil paper, and I'm just gonna baste the tray with some olive oil just to avoid the duck from sticking to the tray when it's being baked. Okay, guys, I'm now gonna add this little extra part. It's just the neck and the gizzard. I absolutely love this part of the meat. It's bony and just nice, so you know I'm gonna take them out ahead of time. If you like your chicken neck or duck neck, let me know in the comment section, okay? I'll be baking it for about 2 hours at 350 degrees until it's cooked thoroughly. So guys, you have it. Here's my oven roasted duck. It's looking so fabulous. Wow, look at it. I can't wait to just bite into it. Poor duck. You know, I wouldn't want to get what the duck got. It wouldn't be good. So guys, if you like my video, let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.